ActivePresenter allows you to change the table of contents position and color at ease. Just take the following steps to achieve your desire. Firstly, access the Export tab and open the Player Settings window. Here, you can change the table of contents position and color in General Parameters and Color Parameters, respectively. Now, expand the sidebar section. You can select None to hide the table of contents in HTML5 output. Besides, place the table of contents to the right of the canvas, or move it to the left side. Next, come to change the table of contents color. Open the Table of Contents section here. As can be seen, ActivePresenter allows you to modify the color of many categories. Now, we'll change the color of each category in turn, and you'll see the changes. Click here to change the table of contents background color and the text color. The item background is a dark gray. You can change it to light gray like this. The hover item background color looks good, so we'll move to the next one. Pick up another current item background color. Select the light green instead of the dark red. If you want to customize the current item hover background color, choose a color from the list. Also, you can change the completed item background color to a brighter one. Or pick up a color for the current item hover background if needed. Now, it turns orange. Feel free to adjust separator color here. When everything satisfies you, click OK to save all the changes. Your table of contents now looks nice and more consistent with your project. Thanks for watching.